In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Klaviyo profiles. Let's face it, navigating the digital world of email marketing platforms can be tricky, especially when it comes to managing user profiles. Whether you're tidying up your database, removing outdated contacts, or simply want a fresh start, deleting profiles in Klaviyo is a straightforward process once you know your way around. First things first, you'll need to log into your Klaviyo account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Klaviyo's official website. You'll see an option to log in at the top right corner. It's important to ensure that you're logging into the correct account, especially if you're managing multiple accounts for different businesses. Once you click on the login option, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. These credentials are the keys to your digital kingdom, so ensure that you enter them correctly. If you've forgotten your password, don't panic. Klaviyo offers a password reset feature right on the login page, ensuring you can regain access to your account without much hassle. After successfully logging in, you're now in the main dashboard of Klaviyo. This is where all the magic happens, from campaign management to analytics. But today, our focus is on managing profiles. Navigate to the Profiles section. This can usually be found in the dashboard menu. Clicking on Profiles will take you to a new page where all the individual profiles in your database are listed. These profiles represent your subscribers or customers and include all the data you have for them. Now take a moment to locate the specific profile you wish to delete. You can use the search function to quickly find a profile by inputting the email address or name associated with it. Once you've identified the right profile, click on it to view more details. Inside the profile view, look for the Profile Actions button. It's typically located at the top right corner or somewhere visible on the profile page. This button opens up a drop-down menu that houses various options for managing the selected profile. Within the drop-down menu, find and click on the Delete Profile option. Klaviyo will then prompt you with a confirmation message. This step is crucial as it prevents accidental deletions. Remember, deleting a profile is permanent and cannot be undone. Therefore, ensure that you truly wish to remove this profile before proceeding. Clicking Delete on the confirmation prompt will permanently remove the profile from your Klaviyo database. And just like that, you've successfully deleted a profile. Here's a tip. Before deleting any profiles, consider why you're removing them, and if there are alternative actions that might be more appropriate, such as unsubscribing them from certain lists instead. Deleting a profile removes all data associated with it, which might affect your reporting or segmentation. In summary, managing your Klaviyo profiles by removing unnecessary or outdated entries keeps your database clean and ensures your marketing efforts are as effective as possible. With these steps, you now have the knowledge to navigate your Klaviyo account and clean up your profiles whenever needed. Don't forget, staying organized and proactive with your database management not only helps in maintaining a tidy list, but also enhances your email marketing strategy's efficiency. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips and tricks on making the most of your digital marketing tools.